So YouTube, this is the inside of my 2018 Chevy Volt. Had it for about a week now, a little over a week, and you see I've put a little over 1,000 miles on it now. I just charged it. Actually, the cord is still connected. I'm here at a charger station at a local grocery store, and I've charged it for free up to max. I only sit here for about maybe 20 minutes. I have 62 miles of range. Now, as advertised on here, the actual EPA mileage is supposed to be 53, I believe. Yeah, I should have the sticker here. So it's 53 miles of electric and 42 miles per gallon on the gasoline only, for a total of 106 mpge. I've been driving this car around for a week. Let me just show you some of my energy settings here. Let's see, info. So as you can see here, 122 mpge. Lifetime is 164.7. Let's see here. Right now we're getting 250. Lifetime 100 mpg. Haven't driven any miles with this full charge here. And some other settings here. Energy used. Because I haven't driven that much today. My techniques and how I've been driving, technique, drivetrain, the terrain I've been driving on, climate settings, and outside temperature. But you see that 122 mpge combined, and they have it listed 106 here on the sticker. This car is exceeding every metric that they had, originally set baseline for this car. And you look at here, I'm at full tank of gas right now. This is a fuel range at 345. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's coming through in the video because it's not actually in gas mode. Let me switch it over here to whole mode. It should pop up. You should be able to see the gas range too once it switches over. Yep, for fuel range is 347. And then I also have, let me go to normal or sport mode, and then I have the 62. So as you can see, this car is way exceeding the mileage range it is listed at, and I've been getting, just every day it's jumped up. The first time I charged, I think it was at 52, then it was like 56, then it was 60, and now today we're at 62. I had to get a home charging station at level 2. I've been having a hard time getting full charges, only because I haven't actually been sitting long enough to get a full charge. But it's been really doing better every single day I've driven it. Every single day. The inside is really nice. It has, all the right things you need in order to drive. Cruise control there. You change your stations here. You have talk and hang up. Then you have the features here. You control the center stack there. The actual digital display from here. And so you control all that from there. And of course, you have a wide range of things here. You can go through your phone, energy level settings, texting, navigation, different apps here. I haven't even gotten to using those yet, because pretty much I've been using Apple CarPlay. As soon as I hook up my phone to it, which is not hooked up now, I use Apple CarPlay, which has been awesome as far as texting and Siri. I like the fact that this is all kind of condensed in my old Volt. It was a little convoluted, to get through all the different AC and heat settings, because it was probably 10 buttons or more, 15 buttons probably to actually access all that stuff. There's no knobs, so you just had to press buttons to get the stuff and turn stuff up with buttons and turn stuff down with buttons. This makes it a lot easier. And has the eco button right here, easy to get to. All that stuff was in the screen before. It was a little hard to get to, and now it's all right here, and it's right in front of you. It's easy to see what your settings are listed at, and I love it. It's very, very nice. I should install my Wayland's dash cam here. This has been a really nice feature. I'll have to post some video of that later. It actually shows some of the different G-force and pitch and roll, the RPMs of the motor, and also boost, how much boost is being put into the motor, and your speed and your GPS. It has a lot of overlays that actually show on top of the video what the engine's actually doing. So with all that said, I'm telling you, I'm gonna start posting more video. I had to get through this first week. It's been kind of hectic. The kids started school. I was trying to get the I posted more video about the Wayland's dash cam. I had some issues at first setting it up, but I think it's set up just right now. I had to do some actual software changes to it via some instruction from the company, but it seems to be working now great. So I'll post a video on that and actually some footage from the dash cam. But going forward, I'm just gonna start, making little videos about things I've noticed, the differences between the 2015 and through 11 volt versus now the 2016 and newer Volt. There are some major differences. There's some similarities, but as far as the exceeding the actual expectations that's here on the sticker, it is well done that. I mean, amazingly so. And at 34,000, which I pay a little bit less than that, and including the tax incentives, this car is amazing. I don't see how people don't buy these things all day, every day. So signing out, and I'll talk to you later, YouTube.